Hello friends, today I will tell you some tricks about the Facebook. So first of all, we may open the account and you can easily reset your password or your account settings without any email or ID or mobile number. So today I am telling you very important things. So must be watch my video. First of all, I telling you, if you have any account and it was hacked or your passwords cannot be matched, so you can first of all searching your name, and after then I will be reset your password. You only following my rules and steps, you can very easily do it very well. So first of all, I telling you, I have some ID, uh, but its can't be open. Today I will telling you, and this is my ID, and it can be put. So if you are forget, it's a not problem. If you have already another accounts, you can be open. So I telling you this are not be matched password in front of you. Okay, it's not be find. So no problem. If you have any other accounts, you can be open. And after then, first of all, you can be log in and find telling you step by steps. Now you can search. Okay, it's my account. So it's telling you how to get it. My net was slow. It's a very really sorry for that. So friends, this is your ID. It's a very important. Okay, if you are annoying, so first of all you can be copied. Okay, so now I am copied it and now I am log out because it's doing all things are a step by steps. So and it's keep a secrets, don't be ask everyone. Okay, so now you first of all click on the forget password, and when you click the forget password, then again you can be search email, phone, username, and etc. This is also you can be called it's a user ID for through from the Facebook. Okay, now I am searched it. Okay, now it's my account. So now I am telling you that how you opened it. Okay, so there's the two options for through the email, and second is through the number, but I can't be accept together. So now I am again log in and put any one password. Okay, okay, now I am put it, watched it, and same condition when this options in front of you, then you click control, sorry, source, open the resource of the page. Okay, oh no, again I am click it. It's open HTML and these all pages I will telling you now. So again I am click for inspect options. Now it's open in front of you friends. And friend, first of all, you can be promised, don't be asked to everyone, because when everyone person's knowing, it's also hacked your account, so it's depend on you. So now you have a click on the Facebook. Okay, when you click on the Facebook, there's the option for the body, and you can check, you can be mark it, and after then click, there's a step by steps body. Then second step, you click on the body, there's the option for the body, and now this is the opened in front of you. There is some tricky words. So friend, now there you can be search Okay, now you can be click on the body marks, click on the marks. Okay, and after then it's all selected, you can be defaulted. Okay, and finally these all things are okay. Now you again click your password, any password you can be put. Okay, again. Okay, now your password is saved in front of you, friends, so must be watched it again. You can be find it, there is the option active. Okay, these all selects. After then again you can be click. Okay, no problem. Now you uh track feedback message. Okay, then there's the option for your ID, there's the option for the ID. Okay, I am such it take some time for, sorry for waiting. Okay friends, there's a option for the find control F. When you press control F, there's you can be search EID. Okay friend, there's the option for the EID, and there's the save the passwords. So in front of you, this is the passwords in front of you, and you can be easily get the passwords. Okay, now I am a control, and okay, it's a paste in front of you. Okay, it means it's a paste copied. Okay, now I am a paste on there in front of you, must be watch it. And you can give me a suggestion about my video if you like or dislikes, no problem, but must be give me a suggestion through the comment. And if you want be have if you have any help, need a help, so I want to be provide you, must be contact me through the comment. And now I, so friends, in front of you I am a pest. Okay, and there's also I am a copied from here, and now I am a login in front of you, must be watched. And if you all like my videos, so must be give me a suggestion and must be subscribe me. And now I am a collect 1 2 3 go. Let's watch. Okay friends, in front of you it's opened. So friend, what do you think about my video? And it's really amazing, and must be share with your friends. And I hope you are enjoying and you are watching my video. And finally, if you have need any informations, I will be provide you. So thanks for watching my video. And lastly, finally, I again request you must be subscribe my video. It's my profile and I hacked it in front of you. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.